tell Daddy.
Daddy, these tornadoes, Mommy said these tornadoes is not going to house down.
When is it coming?
Today.
What did Ethan and Valerie say?
You
Tell
said,
Daddy. Tell Daddy what Ethan.
What did Ethan and Valerie say?
you said the tornadoes going to knock us house down.
What else?
I don't know.
Are we safe?
Mm-hmm.
What are we going to do when the tornado comes?
Tornado?
Where are we going to go when the tornado comes?
I don't know. We're going to get killed.
Where should we go?
I don't know. We better go and frozen.
Is he frozen?
Yeah, we better see frozen. It's on the TV.
We're going to see frozen when the tornado comes?
Yeah. Tonight it's going to come.
You know what a tornado is?
So,
What is a tornado?
I don't know.
What does it do?
It's like gummies, it's like blocks, it's like knives, it's like cake wheels, it's like what else? I don't know.
You think we're going to be okay?
Yeah.
Are we safe here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We better go in frozen, okay? And we better go in the castle. That's us, okay? And the tornadoes going to knock us frozen TV up, okay?
Okay.
And maybe she's going to maybe be frozen music today, okay? So don't worry about it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's key.
Okay.
The tomatoes going to knock us big party down. So don't worry about it, okay? And don't worry about the tomatoes not my tear down, okay? Daddy, the tomatoes going to knock even and Valerie and mine and your tear down, okay? So don't worry about it, okay? And the tomatoes going to knock my black stuff, okay? So don't worry about it, okay? And you're going to ask my teeth, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So don't worry about it. And you're going to knock and slow it. No, not like that. No, like tomatoes going to knock house down, and you're going to knock. What else? I show you kitty. Chocolate gummies that say gummies that take what else? That take chocolate that take tomatoes take chocolate that take and the mess. No, Mommy. No, Mommy.